Okay, I'm having a little freak out moment right here. This is where I parked my bike, and now it's gone. I'm not sure what to do. I think this is my last full day in Lombok, so I'm gonna go beach hunting. I hear that Selong Belanak beach is one of the best, so I think I'm gonna find that. It's near Kuta, maybe an hour and a half drive away. Maybe some other beaches too. I don't know. Let's find out. Fairly large beach. It seems like all the people that are here are on one side of it. I ventured a little further and found a place where there's absolutely no people. Let's check the beach out. Confirm all the people are way over there, and I am here all by myself. In case you haven't figured out by now, I like getting away from all the tourists. But your heart's so cold, I see it in your face from a mile away. Feel it in my veins when you say. So I made an on-the-spot decision to go surfing. It's like $4 to rent a board for the day. So this one's mine. Let's do it. Surfing, so I'm really not good at it. Kind of hard to surf and carry a GoPro at the same time too, so. But I still had fun. Okay, I'm having a little freak out moment right here. This is where I parked my bike. I locked it up, locked up the steering and everything, and now it's gone. I'm not sure what to do. So I'm at a police station now, and nobody speaks English. This is actually kind of fun. If I was hungry right now, I'd probably start bawling. So we're still trying to figure out how to deal with the situation. My flip-flops are also missing, so I am without shoes. Got a translator, so we're making progress at least. Still don't know how this is gonna turn out. When you're in a Muslim country, you hear this at sunset. So they transferred me to a different police precinct, and now I'm just waiting for something to happen. I don't know what. Check out all these lizards eating the bugs. So when they finished taking my statement and finished the report, they told me that they found the bike. I have no idea what happened. They said it was not too far from where I left it. I'm still really confused, but now the bike is here and I hope everything will be sorted out very soon. The rest of the story goes thusly. I spent over 5 hours in these police stations, just giving them my information, them taking my statement, them writing it down, and printing out the reports. It was something of a nightmare. The police called the people at my hostel to let them know what happened and that they could bring the required documents and whatnot for it. As you saw, the police found the bike, but it was heavily damaged because it was broken into. Whoever broke into it was looking for anything valuable in the seat or whatever, so they did end up taking the registration out of it. I don't know why. But they left my jacket, which was kind of nice of them, I guess. Anyway, around 11 p.m. we were finally done and made our way back to the hostel. The problem with renting a motorbike in places like Indonesia is that these rental companies don't pay for insurance for their bikes. So if anything bad happens to them, it's the renter's responsibility to cover anything, no matter how much you may disagree with it. To ensure that us renters pay out, they keep our passport as kind of hostage or collateral, you know what I mean. Luckily, I had some help from a local friend who was on my side. I called him up, he kind of coached me through what I should do with my current situation, so I'm grateful for that, for having someone who knows the way of things around here on my side. But because I had a ferry to catch that next morning, I really didn't have a choice but to fork over some money so that they would give me my passport back, because I can't leave without it. I was able to talk them down to about half of what they were asking for the damages, but it was still quite a bit of money. It was just really good that they found the bike, because if not, I would have had to end up paying for a new one, which I certainly wouldn't want to do. But this is just the way things work in places like Indonesia. It is risky to rent a bike because you're just liable for about any bad thing that happens to it. So take a lesson from me. If you can find a renter that doesn't hold your ID hostage, like they may just accept a copy of it, that is ideal. Also, don't park in secluded places where there's no one else around. I learned that the hard way. But the incident is over now. I'm back in Bali, and yeah, glad to be done with that whole thing. Actually, not 100% sure I'll even upload this, but just in case I do, to help all of you out if you ever come to Southeast Asia. Maybe you can learn from my mistakes. What about you guys? Has anything bad like this ever happened to you in Southeast Asia or any third world country? Let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, click the thumbs up if you like the video. Take care.